post-COVID world, as the government is slowly scaling down the impetus and the push into capital formation into the economy, the private sector must come in and pick up the balance. We are seeing that happen gradually in the economy, with the private capital formation significantly increasing. Now, what that means is all that capital formation is going into new investment and new manufacturing facilities, and this is one of the stated goals of this government, is to increase the size of manufacturing in the country. Manufacturing is very important in any economy because it gives those white collar paying jobs which will form the bedrock of the growth of the economy. Now, with regard to manufacturing, there was a tax benefit that was given, a lower tax rate for manufacturing companies that invested in new facilities. That rate sunsetted in March of 2024. One of the things that has been asked for by industry is to extend that rate beyond 2024 into the future as well. This will help us continue to build the base for manufacturing in India. The other area that is very important and which this government has been pushing even in the interim budget was around innovation and R&D spend. Historically, India's R&D spend as a percentage of GDP has been very much on the lower side compared to its peers. The idea is to significantly increase the R&D spend by the private sector, and towards this, the interim budget of the previous government had created a fund of 1 lakh crores to incentivize private sector innovation and funding. The idea about increasing this incentive is something that's been doing the rounds, and if there is a tax incentive that can further strengthen this, it will help increase the R&D spending in the country. So any kind of changes that further incentivize companies, especially around the patent box regime or other innovation ideas, would significantly help increase the private sector spend on R&D.